The Joyway 6-piece luggage set offers a comprehensive solution for travelers with its wide range of included bags, ensuring you have the right size for every journey. Equipped with TSA-approved locks and 360-degree spinner wheels, this luggage provides both security and effortless maneuverability through airports and busy streets. Crafted from lightweight, durable, and waterproof polypropylene, the luggage shells are designed to withstand the rigors of travel while being environmentally friendly. The adjustable height telescopic handles enhance the ease of handling, making it convenient to push and pull your luggage across various terrains. Additional features like the YKK zipper and interior mesh pockets ensure your belongings are packed securely and efficiently, preventing any potential damage. The set's expandable duffel and toiletry bags, along with strategically placed top and side handles, offer practical versatility for navigating different travel situations.